We're going to check the package of the Tenon A5. It's a very nice design to have this handle on the box. So let's open the box of the A5. The box is contained with two layers. The first layer is the accessories and mortise, and second layer is the smart lock panels. We open the front panel, back panel. This is the user manual. This is the installation template. This is the Tenon 4 auto mortise. We also have a white box, including the accessories, with 2 pieces RC card and 2 pieces of the mechanic keys for backup.